Hello. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's been a long while. And I've just pulled up here. First camping probably feels like 6 months. There's a lot been happening, a lot going on. Done a few things to the car, which you'll see later. But yeah, I've picked this spot for my first camp. Check this out. You're not gonna believe it. Like, here I am, I'll set up here, and then look at that for a view. Sunset's over there, and we'll rise over there. Little bit of a breeze, which is, you gotta expect that on a salt lake. I'm gonna have a fire right here, I think. Right here. It'll blow that way then. Alright. Oh, I think I forgot what to do. It's been a while. How nice is this? We'll go for a walk. It looks like there's water out there. So we might go for a walk, see how far we can get. First, I've got to set up the rooftop. Get all the wood that I just picked up when I come in here. Just loaded it up into here. Not much. There's a little bit over there behind the bush. But just a little bit. I don't need a big fire. Not tonight. I am knackered. So I won't be up late. It'll be a pretty quiet night. Sitting around the bush telly, enjoying it. But first, I've got to set up. I really do. I haven't opened the rooftop in probably a month. So this should be interesting. Nothing's really changed much. I still going to use this ladder. I still don't use the back one. I wonder how many cobwebs are up here. Oh, there's a couple. Like new. Yeah, beautiful. I'll set bed up later. Oh, what's going on here? Right. Suppose I should get all this wood out. I'm cheating. I'm trying something new this time. I've got these little fire logs I've seen someone use that look like an easy way to light a fire. I know, it's cheating. Oh, I've also got a new chair. Oh, a couple of solid little logs. Little stick. There we go. I'll get my chair out and show you. Oh, splinter already. Got it. It's a Darchie chair. Now it's meant to be, pretty good. Got to figure out There we go. How How easy, eh? Here are my bricks you just light. They say they burn for 2 hours, but I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? In this wind. Might hold off a bit, lighting that. Just see what happens. But, oh, it's so good to be back. Look at that view. It's got clear skies. It's going to be a beautiful night. Oh, I can't believe I'm back. It's so good. Oh, so good to be back. There's no point in me setting the awning up. It's pretty late, like it's 10 to 5. Sun sets, I think, in, let's have a look at the watch. Whoa, 25 minutes. So I might have to light that soon. As you can see, that much there in the sun on the horizon, 25 minutes. Oh, all right, let's, oh, bugger it. Let's have a drink, eh? Oh, still haven't changed me thing. I've got plenty of food. Looking after myself. But, hey, it's a, what day is it? Tuesday. Oh, stubby holder hasn't been opened in a while. Another thing I've done is I've got these steady lights, the orange and white ones, to flood the area, one each side. I've also, for night time, I don't do much driving, but I got these ditch lights, probably more of a wank factor than anything else. What else has changed? Still got there. Oh, up there. New solar panel. 220 watt. Slimline. It's a lot lighter, a lot smaller than my last one. And look how thin that is. I'm a bit worried it might, you know, vibrate with the wind and break. But it's a kick-ass one. We'll see how it goes and see what happens. Oh, I've got to calm down a bit. I'm excited, can you tell? Oh, well, cheers all. I'm going to, should probably light this fire and get going. Oh, and I got a new lighter. Simple things, eh? Oh, this is so nice. Someone's driven out there and got stuck. Bit silly, I won't. I'm not going to do that. You can see where other people have like camped, I think, like come down here. I was thinking it. Camp down here, having a fire there. Someone's had a fire out there. But I was just like, you know what? That's a nice spot. I'll just stay here. Like, it's nice. I'm just up. You never know. It might rain. It might flood down here. Probably won't, but you never know. Oh, how nice is this? It's getting a bit chilly. I've got to say that wind. I'm hoping it will die off as the sun sets, but being a clear night, out here in the middle of, I'm not going to tell you, but yeah, so good to be back. Woo! And look at that, the beast. All right, I'm going to finish setting up, get my bedding up there and everything else, and I'll get back to you in a second. Cheers. Look at this. I've got to pick this up because it doesn't go fully 360, but look at that sun setting. How nice. Fire's trying to go, as you can see. Oh, man. This is just too good. Too good. I'm putting a jumper on, but you're not going to be able to follow me. I'm going to test it here. It's meant to get me back, but I think you'll lose me. Oh. I might have to get some jiffies, eh? because that's, oh, is it burning? It's burning, but not much, you know what I mean? Oh, that is cold. Oh, I think I might have to put trackies on soon. Alright, I'm going to try and get this fire going, and we'll be back shortly. Yo. This is going well, I've got to say. I don't know if the wood will last long, but I don't plan on being up late. I've got had a late night, I suppose. No, I didn't have a late night, I had an early night. Gee, camera looks crooked, but probably not. But yeah, I just, yeah, tired. Oh, where's my drink? Bring my chair a bit closer. One good thing about this chair, I'll show you. It swivels. How cool. You might think, doesn't have a cup holder. It does, I just haven't brought it out. It clips on here somewhere. But, this is putting out some good heat, I've got to say. But I want to get it. I got a little table, I left it at home. Or did I bring it? I can't remember.